Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox browser. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox, and then dito lang sa top right corner i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon na to. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung setting. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa left side menu, and then next step ay, select mo lang dito yung search. Ito siya. So, kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And then dito sa search, makikita mo kaagad dito yung default search engine. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-change ang default search engine and Firefox. So, click mo lang tong arrow na to, and then makikita mo na dito yung mga options. So, pwede mong i-select yung Google, Bing, yung DuckDuckGo, or Wikipedia mga kaibigan. Okay? So, select ka lang dito kung ano yung mas preferred mo na search engine. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.